Today we're going to be putting back our Can Am wind diffuser back onto the handlebars of our Can Am like this. But in our situation, there's so much going on with our handlebars, we have to take the bark busters off. That are these from Can Am. One screw comes out. The bits that you're going to be using is a T26 and a 3/16 bit. 3/16 go here. Loosen this bolt. It pops out of the handlebars. This one just clamps over the handlebars like this, and it holds the bark busters in place. So that's a 10mm to get at the top here. And then on the side is going to be your T26, 27. It's going to go right here and this clamps down. These two screws you tighten and it becomes one piece to the handlebars. We already took it off on the left side. We're going to do it on the right side. We're going to shift our brake handle over here. We're going to shift that over. We have a turn signal kit, so we're going to leave that here in place. This the brake bolts are going to be loosened, and we're going to move it up to here to this point. And then we're going to shove the mount for the wind deflector there. On the right side, it's more easier because it doesn't have the brake in the way. So we just loosen this, remove the bark buster, put the mount here for the windshield, and that's it. All right, we're gonna start with a 3/16 bit on the side here. Loosen it up just a little bit like that. Now we're gonna take T27. There's a bolt right here. Loosen that up. Like that. Now from the top, you need a 10mm long socket. Loosen that one up, then a 10mm ratchet, a wrench. Put the bolt out, pops out like that, pull out the whole piece, and voila. That's how it looks. Take them out. Next step after removing the bark busters, we're gonna take a 8mm socket, loosen up the brake, loosen up like this, and just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle it to the side. To the side, so it'll give you enough space for the mount for the windshield. Gives enough play. Now we're going to take the windshield. The windshield has two mounts on it. You have a little screw here. Loosen that up. And you can pop off the windshield and leave the mounts in place during the summertime. Then wintertime or fall season, you could just pop it back in like this. Take your little nut here, tighten it down, and voila. That's it. We put some electrical tape on both sides just to give more grip for the mounts that come with it, like that. They do have little rubber pieces inside of it, but just like an insurance policy from it, vibrating and moving during the trails. You can put that, push up. Wiggle it in place. That's it. Wiggle, wiggle, clamp it down like that. And that's it. So one mount is down. Okay, we mounted the first mount for the windshield. We used the 5/32 bit on this side here for the nut, for the bolt, and then a 10mm for the nut here on this side. And now it's solid, secure. Now we're gonna continue on the other side to mount that mount, and then we'll install the windshield. While installing the mount for the windshield, we came across a problem with the winch switch mount. It should go like this, but the controller hits the windshield mount. So we cut off the top of it. I'm gonna flip it around like this and mount the controller to it like that. It's gonna sit like this, so it gives you the clearance for the mount. Later on, we're gonna install it right now like this. Later on, we're gonna take it apart and spray paint it with Rust-Oleum to protect it from rusting. All right, guys, we're gonna continue with this. Wait. This in. That's it. It works. All right, guys, that's it. That's how you install a windshield on your Can Am. Well, at least you guys are gonna have less of a headache doing it versus me, because you have less clutter on your bars than we do. That's it. Easy on off. That's it, guys. All right, guys. See you guys on the next one. That's it for this video. Have a nice day.